Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Substack payments to monetize newsletters, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Substack payments, first, log into your Substack account. Navigate to the settings section in your dashboard. Locate the monetization tab within the settings menu. In the monetization section, look for the option to activate paid subscriptions. Toggle on the feature to enable paid subscriptions for your newsletter. Consider whether you want to offer monthly, annual, or both subscription options. Ensure that your payment processor is set up correctly. Substack partners with Stripe to handle payments. If you do not have a Stripe account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to connect your Substack account with Stripe. Once connected, configure your payment settings. Set your currency preference and location for your payment processing. Now, go back to your Substack settings and review your payment options. Make sure to include billing information and any necessary tax details. In your welcome post, clearly communicate the value of subscribing. Stay engaged with your audience to maximize your newsletter's potential. This concludes the installation process for Substack payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.